Hi guys, it's Ilene here. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm participating in the DIY Christmas Centerpiece Challenge. This is hosted by Jessica at Measure and Mix, as well as Antoinette with Simple and Chic. I will link their channels down below in the description box so you guys can check out what they have done and their amazing channels and watch their entire playlist on everyone who participated in this challenge. Before we get started, I just want to ask you, if you haven't already, to please subscribe to my channel and don't forget, hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. I'm going to use this 18-inch Christmas tree from the Dollar Tree, along with 3 mason jars I had on hand and some other miscellaneous supplies. I'm just separating the branches by spreading them out. My pliers here have a cutter, so I'm going to be using these to cut apart my branches to build my mini trees. A sharper pair might have done better, but I'm also having some problems with my hand, and I'm trying to get a bunch of DIYs done just because next week I'm going to be having surgery for a carpal tunnel. So my hand will be all better once that heals. But for now, me cutting these is a little hard just because I have a bad hand. Now I'm just putting together some branches to form them the best I can to look like a snowy winter Christmas. At the bottom here, I'm wrapping a branch around to secure all the branches of my tree. And I'm gonna make 2 more. Now that I have my 3 trees, I'm gonna add these little green beads to the top for like kind of a star, but I thought these green beads were super pretty and I had them on hand, so it worked out perfectly. I'm gonna be using this little clear cap sort of thing. This comes on the top of a Sky vodka bottle so that the vodka doesn't completely dump out as you're pouring it. And I took these off and saved them for what I don't know, but today I do know. I'm going to be using them to stick my tree in as a little base so that I could glue it to the lid of my mason jar. Now that my trees are done, I'm going to be gluing them to the lid of the mason jar. That's why we needed this base here. And I'm using a generous amount of hot glue for the tree to stick well. Then I decided to add some fake snow and some glitter, and then I'm going to put my tree back in. And here's how it looks. I thought it looked pretty with a little bit of green glitter and the white snow together. Now that my tree is in the mason jar, I decided that I wanted to add a little decoration on top. So I had picked up, it was a 2-pack of these reindeers, and I picked up one of these golden doves, and I'm gonna just put these guys on top, and then I'm gonna put my tray together and show you how it came out. Here's how it came out, guys. I added that little housing setup in the back. I think it made it all come together. It was $3 from the Target dollar spot, and I thought it was super cute. So you got the trees, and then I have here the reindeer. I just want to zoom up and show you guys the reindeer. I added some glitter, and then I put a seed bead for the eye on the reindeer. I thought it looked much cuter. And this is the complete look. I wanted something simple that could be on my kitchen table and not take up too much space. And I thought this came out so pretty. I put down the red acrylic gems and some pearls at the bottom of my tray. I had this tray already. I hope that you guys enjoyed my DIY centerpiece. I think it came out great. I made mine so that it could be just on the kitchen table and every day be there and not really really be in the way. I don't have a dining room, so I had to make one that was simple and would fit with my home decor. If you guys like this, please comment down below. I love hearing your feedback. Give this video a great big thumbs up. Don't forget, subscribe to my channel if you haven't already, and please hit that bell icon so you get notified every time I upload to YouTube. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'll see you soon. Bye.